Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Thank you for joining me right here on the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. It is I, your happy hostess, SL Rockfish. So glad you could be here today. If today is your first time, check it out. If you would like, hit subscribe. There it is. There's a subscribe. Hit subscribe. Or if you just want to check it out and see, and maybe this lesson might not be for you, but I'm also on TikTok and Instagram at English Makes No Sense, all swished together, or I'm on Facebook at English Makes No Sense. Normally what we do here are some English lessons, fun with the English language, pronunciation problems, and then we do some reading with Rockfish. That's me, Rockfish. But today we're doing a beginning English lesson because I went on Clubhouse and some people said you should do a beginning English lesson. So here we are. Today we're going to be doing days of the week. Yeah, days of the week, days of the week, boom, boom, days of the week, days of the week. We're going to learn them with some fun and some song. So join me. There are 7 days in the week. I know the calendar says 2015. It's 2021. I just needed a graphic. So we're going to go Sunday, Monday. See, these are all the abbreviations. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Yeah, I know that went fast, but I'm going to do a slide on each word, each day of the week with 5 sentences in context. So come on, you can practice with me, okay? You know you want to. Come on, it's going to be fun. The first day of the week. The first day of the week is Sunday. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Yeah, see? Sunday. Fun and song. I love Sunday. I do. I just love Sundays. You get to relax on Sunday. Sunday is my favorite day. Many people go to church on Sunday. A lot less now than COVID, but Do you like Sunday? Sunday is the first day of the week. Now, remember the song? Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. What comes after Sunday? Glad you asked. Here comes the second day of the week. It's Monday. Monday, Monday, Monday. Yeah, too much? Okay. Monday looks like Monday, but it's not. We pronounce it Monday. Why? I don't know, but it's Monday. Monday starts the work week. We start school on Monday. Monday can be hard. Harumph. If Monday had an emoji, let's see. If Monday had an emoji, this would be the Monday emoji. Monday. Many people don't like Monday. Look, it's not highlighted. So watch the power of editing. Hit the highlighter, hit the yellow. Beep. Monday. Awesome. Many people don't like Monday. I sometimes like them. Monday. Here we go. Monday is the second day of the week. Yeah, Monday. What comes after Monday, Monday, Monday? Monday, Monday, Monday. Hey, it's the third day of the week. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. We could go slower. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Tuesday, third day of the week. Tuesday comes after Monday. We get tacos on Tuesday. In America, many restaurants have Taco Tuesday. Tuesday does not have a Z. You hear a Z, does not have a Z. See, I put up here like it has a Z. Tuesday. Tuesday is fun to say. Try it. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Tuesday is the third day of the week. What comes after Tuesday? The fourth day of the week. And you know what that is? Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Now, look at this. It looks like, let me get my pointer. Wednesday. But no, no, no. It's Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. Wednesday is hard to say because it doesn't look like it sounds. It is hard to spell Wednesday. When I write it out, I have to say Wednesday, but it's Wednesday. In America, Wednesday is called Hump Day. Wednesday is the middle of the week. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Here comes the fifth day of the week. And it is a Thursday. Thursday, again, has that Z sound, but there's no Z. Thursday. Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Thursday comes after Wednesday. See, Thursday comes after Wednesday. Thursday does not have a Z in it. I like Thursday. I do. I really like Thursday. Thursday has no nickname. No Taco Tuesday, Dreaded Monday, Hump Day. Nope. Thursday, no nickname. Thursday is the fifth day of the week. And you know what comes after Thursday? Boom, 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 boom. Everybody's favorite day, the sixth day. Friday is the sixth day of the week. Friday, Friday, Friday. Friday, Friday, Friday. Friday is the end of the work week. Yeah, we call it the work week, Monday through Friday. How's your work week going? Everyone loves Friday. Friday has its own saying. You know what it is? Thank God it's Friday! And then we shorten it with TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Friday is the sixth day of the week. Friday doesn't really need a song, but we're going to do it anyway. Friday, Friday, Friday. Friday, Friday, Friday. See, there is a song about Fridays, but not as catchy as mine. The seventh day of the week is Saturday. Saturday in the park. That has a song by the group Chicago. I love Saturday. Many people shop on Saturday. They do. We have no school on Saturday. Whew, that's why teachers and kids love Saturday. On Saturday, we can sleep late. Saturday is the sixth day of the week. Yeah, the sixth day of the week. Saturday, Saturday, Saturday. Saturday, Saturday, Saturday. Now, the weekend. Here's the tricky part. The weekend. Saturday and Sunday. The weekend is known as Saturday and Sunday. And it always has the article the in front of it. Like, what are you going to do on the weekend? You never just say, what are you going to do weekend? It's the weekend. Saturday and Sunday are called the weekend. How did I know? Yes, Sunday is the first day of the week. Saturday is the last day of the week. But together they are known as the weekend. I love the weekend. Here we go. Let's review with a song. Here we go. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. A Monday, Monday, Monday. Monday, Monday, Monday. A Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. A Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. A Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Hear the Z in Wednesday. There's no D in Wednesday. You never hear the D in Wednesday. But here comes Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday, Friday. Friday, Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday, Saturday. Hey, there's the weekdays. Then comes the weekend. Yes, let's play the weekend. We all love the weekend. That's Saturday and Sunday. Boom. Remember, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday is the first day. Saturday is the last day. But together they are called the weekend. What? Come on, English. Yeah, because the first day and the last day go together and they make the weekend. Why? That's the best explanation I can think of. Now, let's go. So there you go. Thank you very much. I hope that song didn't bother you too much or annoy you, but I just think if you hear it with the song, it'll stick in your head. Practice. Go ahead. Try the song. Sing a little bit. Monday, Monday, Monday. Leave some feedback. If you think that was the craziest song, let me know. If you want, let me know what you want to practice some more. Please practice the words. Rewind, watch it, sing the song, use them in sentences. I promise it gets easier. Thank you so much. Practice some more and let me know how you think or what you want to see. Thank you very much, my friends. See ya. Peace.